Thank you, sir. Good morning po.
Good morning. Bigyan mo nga ako ng hamburger meal. Tapos yung fries, i-upgrade to large. At yung soft drink to pineapple juice. Tapos yung nameplate mo, tabingi.
Okay, you ordered
Kulang
for...
yung ngiti mo. Dagdagan mo. Kailangan, pati ang mga mata mo, nakasmile.
Good afternoon. Thank you. Good afternoon. Can I take your order?
Bigyan mo ako ng burger steak meal.
Ma'am, would you like to try our peach mango pie to go with your meal?
Mango, iha. Hindi mango. Ulitin mo.
Would you like to try our peach mango pie po?
Better. But no thank you.
Good afternoon. Here's your order, ma'am. Enjoy your meal. Thank you po. Una na ako, ah. Mano po, Lola?
Apo, pagbutihan mong trabaho mo, ha? Kung kinakailangan na nandun ako parati. Hanggat kaya ko, susuportahan kita hanggang maging manager ka.